Are you looking for a compact, powerful, and affordable excavator for your home, farm, or small construction projects? Then say hello to the 1.2-ton mini crawler excavator from Shandong Yitui. Factory direct and built for efficiency. Powered by a reliable Kubota EPA Euro 5 engine. This machine offers 20 horsepower of pure digging power in a compact body. With its multifunctional design, it's perfect for trenching, digging, leveling, and more, all while saving space and fuel. And the best part, it comes fully certified Euro, CE, EPA, and customizable to match your specific needs. Even color. Plus, during the crazy discount month, you can grab this excavator at up to 50% off with just a 20% deposit. That's real power, real value, delivered to your door. Tap the link in the description to order now and get the lowest factory price guaranteed. Subscribe for more machinery reviews and tools that boost your productivity.